Bluey woke up early, sunlight spilling through the window, tail wagging, calling loud, "Mama! Mama!" Chilli appeared with a soft smile, arms open. Bingo bounced close, "We're ready for today." Could mornings feel this magical? Bluey tugged Chilli's hand, "Let's play pretend." Chilli laughed gentle, "All right, but you lead the game." Bandit peeked from the kitchen, shaking his head, "They'll never stop." Bluey spun around, tail high, ready for adventure. Could imagination make the house feel like a kingdom? They started in the living room, pretending the couch was a castle. Bluey became the brave knight, Chilli the wise queen. Bingo jumped around, making funny night noises. Muffin and Socks joined in chaos, knocking over pillows, laughing wild. Could a simple game turn into epic adventure? After battles and quests, Chilli suggested a snack break. Bluey raced to the kitchen, grabbing juice and biscuits. "Power up!" she shouted, giggling as crumbs fell everywhere. Bandit chuckled, wiping a spill, "These knights sure eat fast." Could even snack time feel like part of the story? Then Chilli brought out paint and paper. Time for art. Bluey's eyes sparkled, paws ready. She painted castles, dragons, and brave knights. Bingo tried copying, spilling colors, but Bluey helped, laughing, "It's okay, we can fix it together." Could teamwork make messes turn magical? Outside, the sun was warm, leaves dancing in the breeze. Bluey and Chilli played tag, chasing, spinning, giggling until cheeks were red. Bandit and Bingo watched, laughing, joining little by little. Could a simple day with family feel like an endless adventure? As the evening came, Bluey hugged Chilli tight, whispering, "I love our days, Mama. You make everything fun." Chilli ruffled her fur, smiling soft, "And you, Bluey, make my days bright." Bluey turned to the camera, tail wagging, eyes sparkling. If you loved our adventure, hit like, tap subscribe, and join us for more fun, laughter, and special moments with family.